In this quick video, I'll show you how to connect your Binance account to Coinstats step by step updated for 2025. First, go to your Binance app and log into your account. Now, open a new tab and go to Coinstats. On the home page, click on Connect Binance, then enter your API key and API secret from Binance. To get those, go back to Binance and click API Management. Now click Create API, then give it a label, for example, Coinstats. Click Next and you'll be prompted for a security verification, your passkey, and facial verification. Once verified, your API key and secret will be displayed. Make sure to never share these to protect your assets. Copy your API key and secret, then head back to Coinstats. Paste them in and click Connect. Now, choose which accounts you want to sync, like your spot, margin, or futures wallet. Just check or uncheck the boxes. Finally, click Add Accounts for Coinstant to create new portfolio, and that's it. Your Binance portfolio is now successfully connected to Coinstats.